BGP Advanced Aggregation with UnSuppress map. In this video, I want to talk about another option of aggregation, one of the options in aggregation that we can use it to a different behavior of the default aggregation behavior. For example, you know that we are using summary only option to sending only summary routes and not the subnets. But in some cases, we need to unsuppress map, and with unsuppress map, we can send some routes or leakage some routes and don't suppress them. Let's see the scenario, and after that we can talk about the result of unsuppress map. Look at the scenario. R1 now is in AS65000, R2 is in the AS65001, and finally R3 is AS65002, and R1 should summarize these subnets, these IP addresses, to a summary, and after that we want to talk about the unsuppressed map. Let's start our scenario. Okay, in R1, here is R1, and no conft hostname R1, interface ETH00, IP address of R1 ETH00 is 10.121.255.255.255.0, and then no shutdown. Again, interface ETH01, IP address is 10.131.255.255.255.0, and then no shutdown. Again, interface loopback 0, IP address is 1101.255.255.255.0, and then interface loopback 1, and the IP address is 1111.255.255.255.0, and save it. Let's go to R2. In R2, en conft hostname is R2, and interface ETH00, IP address is 10.122.255.255.255.0, and then no shutdown, and finally save it. And then let's go to R3, en conft hostname R3, and then interface ETH00, IP address 10.133.255.255.255.0, and then no shutdown. Okay, this is the initial configuration. The next configuration is configuring BGP between R1, R2, and R3. Conft router BGP 65000. We have two neighbors, neighbor 10.122 remote AS65001, and then neighbor 10.133 remote AS65002. Okay, let's go to R2. In R2, conft router BGP 65001, and then neighbor 10.121 remote AS. The remote AS is 65000. Okay, this is incorrect, no, and then again neighbor 65000. Very good. Let's go to R3, and then in R3 conft router BGP 65002. The neighbor command is neighbor 10.131 remote AS 65000. Now first check the neighborship in R1. Show BGP IP v4 unicast summary. Now we have two neighborship with router 2 and router 3. It's okay. First, we should send these routes. We should inject the loopback 0 and loopback 1 IP address into R1's BGP table. Router BGP 65000, please inject this routes network command 1100 with mask of 255.255.255.0, and again network 1110 with the mask of 255.255.255.0. Okay, very good. Show BGP IP v4 unicast. Now both of these routes are injected into the BGP table of R1, and after some second it should be sent to the R2 and also R3. Let's check R2 and R3. First, the routes should be go to the best. You should select it as best, and after that it can send. Look at here. Yes, now it's okay. In R2, show BGP IP v4 unicast. Okay, and in R3, show BGP IP v4 unicast. Very good. Now I want